The Google Pixel 11 is already generating a lot of excitement, and the latest leaks suggest that Google could be preparing some of the biggest upgrades the Pixel lineup has seen in years. From a new tensor processor and major camera improvements to AI-powered software features and a completely new notification system, there is a lot to talk about. Google is expected to launch the Pixel 11 series in August 2026, following the same schedule used for the Pixel 9 and Pixel 10 series. Just like previous generations, reports suggest there will be 4 models in the lineup: the standard Pixel 11, Pixel 11 Pro, Pixel 11 Pro XL, and Pixel 11 Pro Fold. Starting with the design, anyone expecting a complete redesign may be disappointed. According to leaked renders, the Pixel 11 series will look very similar to the current Pixel 10 lineup. However, there are still some noticeable refinements. The bezels around the display could become thinner, making the phones look more modern, while the camera bar may switch to an all-glass design for a cleaner appearance. The Pixel 11 Pro Fold is also expected to become slimmer than before. Leaks suggest it could be only 4.8 millimeters thick when unfolded, making it more comfortable to hold and use. While it may not become the thinnest foldable phone on the market, it would still be a significant improvement over its predecessor. Google may also introduce new color options. Leaked wallpapers point toward more premium and sophisticated shades, including a darker green color known as Pine and a black option called Midnight. The company seems to be moving away from the brighter and more playful colors seen in previous Pixel generations. The display could receive important upgrades as well. Reports indicate that Google may use Samsung's latest M16 OLED panel across the Pixel 11 lineup. This should result in higher brightness, improved color accuracy, better power efficiency, and a longer display lifespan. Some rumors even suggest that refresh rates could go beyond 120 Hz, making scrolling and animations feel smoother than ever. Performance is another area where Google is expected to make significant improvements. The Pixel 11 series will likely be powered by the new Tensor G6 chipset. This processor is rumored to use a more advanced 2nm manufacturing process, which could bring better efficiency and stronger CPU performance. The Tensor G6 may also feature ARM's latest high-performance core running at speeds of over 4 GHz. This could help the Pixel 11 handle demanding applications, multitasking, and AI-powered features much more effectively than previous generations. However, not all performance rumors are positive. Some reports suggest that Google may not significantly upgrade the GPU, meaning gaming performance could still lag behind competitors like Samsung and other flagship Android devices. For users focused mainly on gaming, this could remain one of the Pixel lineup's weaker areas. Google is also reportedly switching to a new MediaTek modem. This modem could deliver faster 5G speeds, improved connectivity, satellite communication support, and better battery efficiency. Speaking of battery life, there are some interesting rumors here as well. Google may improve charging speeds and overall battery performance. One particularly surprising leak suggests that the Pixel 11 Pro Fold could feature a removable battery. If this happens, it would be a rare feature in modern smartphones and could make the foldable device much more practical for long-term use. Now let's talk about the cameras, which could be one of the biggest highlights of the Pixel 11 series. Leaks indicate that Google may introduce completely new camera sensors across multiple models. The Pixel 11 and Pixel 11 Pro Fold are expected to receive a new 50-megapixel main camera, while the Pro and Pro XL models could get upgraded main and telephoto sensors. Zoom performance may also improve dramatically. Reports suggest the Pixel 11 could support up to 100x zoom, powered by Google's advanced AI processing. This would allow users to capture detailed photos and videos from long distances. Video recording could become much more powerful too. An upgraded cinematic blur mode may allow users to record professional-looking videos with background blur in 4K resolution. A new video relight feature could even let users adjust lighting after recording a video, giving creators more flexibility. Low-light video recording is expected to receive a major upgrade as well. Google is reportedly working on a new ultra-low light video mode that processes everything directly on the device instead of relying on cloud servers. This could produce brighter and cleaner videos even in very dark environments. One of the most interesting new features rumored for the Pixel 11 is something called Pixel Glow. Think of it as Google's answer to the notification lights found on nothing phones. Pixel Glow would use lights on the back of the phone to alert users about important notifications when the device is placed face down. Different colors could represent different types of notifications, helping users stay informed without constantly checking the screen. It's a simple idea, but one that could help reduce unnecessary screen time. On the software side, Google is expected to heavily focus on artificial intelligence. New features may include Speak to Tweak, allowing users to edit photos using voice commands. Another tool called Sketch to Image could transform simple drawings into detailed images using AI. Health tracking features are also rumored to expand, including sleep monitoring, snoring detection, cough detection, and fall detection. Combined with Android 17, the Pixel 11 could become one of the smartest AI-powered smartphones available. Overall, the Google Pixel 11 is shaping up to be a major upgrade. While the design may remain familiar, improvements to performance, cameras, AI features, battery technology, and Pixel Glow could make it one of the most exciting Android phones of 2026. What do you think about the Pixel 11? Which rumored feature are you most excited about? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more smartphone news, leaks, and updates.